Welcome to the Wong Reviewer. My name is Will, where I do tech unboxing, tech reviews, and tech tutorials. And today's episode, I'm very excited to be unboxing the Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo, as you can see here. So it comes with the case, some additional accessories, the controller, as well as the Mavic Air 2 itself. This is going to be a three-part series. The first part is going to be the unboxing, review the accessories. The second part will be talking about me getting my actual license to fly this in Canada, because it's over 250 grams. And then the third part is we're going to actually review some of the features and functions of the Mavic Air 2. So stay tuned for the three-part series. If you haven't already, as you watch the video, please give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Awesome. So the box itself, it's pretty plain. It's just white and just shows a picture of the Mavic Air 2. Right here, it does say the bundle Fly More combo and DJI, and has ADSB Air Sense. And I'm going to double check to see what that means. Let's grab my workbench. Kind of nice. I could just whip up my knife. Okay, so we unboxed it. So now we're going to lift off the lid. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way. Okay, so now, I'm trying to figure out the angle here. Here is, oh, it comes in a carrying case. So let's take a look at the carrying case. Oh, it's actually bundled in the carrying case. Nice, I thought it'd be completely separate, but it comes with, okay, so the carrying case I think definitely has the drone in there. Feels really nice. It feels almost waterproof. I think a bit of a neoprene on here. It also has the DJI, it has the DG, I can't even pronounce it. It has the okay. There you go. So my cameraman has fixed it. DJI Mavic. I don't know why it's so hard to say. DJI. This is a nice case. I like the feel of it. It has a strap. Nothing to it on the back. You can see some of the stitching on the back, but the quality of this is very nice. I feel like it's going to be waterproof. It has a covered zipper underneath here. You can see the detail here. You can see the pattern here, which is kind of neat, reflective, and also has a carrying handle on the side as well. Very nice. So I'm going to unzip this. Oh, I just zipped it back up. Oh, this is just for the front. So the zipper I just did there is just a front pocket. You could put some accessories in here. And then here is the actual zipper to unzip them out. Oh, from the back there. Okay, now we're gonna open it up. So there's a case and then the Mavic Air 2. So first, here is the Mavic Air 2. So here's an up-close version of the Mavic Air 2, as it right on here, Mavic Air 2. Has some stickers on here, it tells you what to take off. Has the gimbal protector on there. Has the two sensors here. Bottom sensors, I believe that is the two rear sensors and the two front sensors. I don't think there's any sensors on the side. Just take it out. And here you go. So this is what it looks like when it's fully spread out. Looks very nice. It's light right now. Oh, the battery isn't included, so it's actually with the battery. This actually feels really light. Now I'm gonna put the propellers on there. I'll do that in a second. But this is my first drone. I'm very excited to fly it, and I'm very excited to see what it can do. So let's do this. See what else is in here. So next, there's a box. I'm I'm assuming this is where all accessories are. Yeah. So here's one. So DJI did a really good job packaging this. Even had separate foam to separate the batteries so it doesn't hit each other or scratch. So I thought that was really well done, DJI. The second battery, so the Fly More combo includes 2 additional batteries, and the flight time is supposed to be around 35 minutes each. Here's a power brick. And here is the AC adapter. Velcro attached to here. So next is this package. Buy More combo, Mavic Air 2 quick start guide. The next one is this is the 3-port battery charger, so you connect like this. I guess we charge 3 at the same time. I gotta double check to see if it powers them all at once or is it sequential. I'm guessing sequential. And then this, so this attaches to here, that, and use that to charge the battery. So I'll pop this one out actually, and then all 3. So very cool. Now I can charge all 3 batteries. Okay, I'll do some more reading on that to see how it charges. Next is the remote. Okay, so this one is the Dgi Controller. So from the reviews I read online, it's very big. However, it's nice because they can put the phone right on top, and you clamp it on top there. And it has the adapter for your iPhone as well to plug it in. Okay, so that's that one. Yeah. Where's the sticks? So the joysticks are underneath here. You just pop it out. Just screw it in like that. That's kind of, it's very handy, very neat. So it's easy, nice and portable. It doesn't stick out when you transport it. And that is the controller. There's tripod, normal or sport mode. Tripod's a bit slower, normal speed, and sport makes it go fast. H here, I think it's auto lift off, power button. And then if you look on here, this is to control the gimbal, and then record and take pictures button. All right, so that's what that is, and that is it for the bag. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to include some filters. Oh, maybe it's in here. Yes, it is in here. So on the top here, there's some more stuff. So here is a USB-A to USB-C cable. I believe it's to charge the controller. Let's unwrap this here. Here we go. This is what I've been looking for. This is the DJI brand ND filters. Thank you. So these are the DJI, branded filters for your camera. So here we go. So it has, I'm gonna see if I can zoom in there. Okay, that's okay. So the first one is the ND16, ND64, and the ND256. So 16, 64, and 256. this is, especially when you're shooting a bright sunlight and you want to lower your ISO or lower your aperture, or increase your aperture, sorry, the filters will help, just like in photography. So that in itself is pretty cool. Just gonna put that back in here. So these are different cables that go into your controller for different types of phone. So since mine is an iPhone, this actually has a lightning adapter already on there, so I'm not going to replace it. But if I had a different type of phone, so it has a micro USB micro USB to USB-C, and then has a USB-C to USB-C cable adapter. And again, that's just for different types of phones. But since mine is an iPhone, using the lightning adapter, I don't have to swap it out. So it's good that they include the different ones in case I ever decide to switch phones. Just gonna put that back in the bag. And then this thing here, I'm not sure what this one is. So this is a power bank adapter. You hook up to one of your batteries, such as this, and it has USB type A, and I can use this with a cable. Yeah, thank you, USB A type A. I can use this to charge any device. So this is USB-C, so I can charge the controller, or I can use it to charge my phone if I have the right adapter, such as this. Since I have an iPhone, I can use my lightning adapter and charge it. And I have to say, like, having this adapter is pretty nice, especially when I'm going to go hiking. I can have, this is really nice to have, especially when I go hiking. I have 3 batteries, and then if I run out, I can use one of these as adapter, as a power bank, to power up or charge my phone. So that is a very nice adapter and a feature to have in the Fly-More combo. All right, so just to recap what we got. In the Fly-More combo, we have 3 batteries. We have the Dgi Controller. We have the power brick. We have a set of propellers, which I'm going to install. You know, I'm going to actually open this up. There's 6 propellers in each bag. So that means I have 3 sets of propellers for the Mavic Air 2, which is kind of nice in case I ding one. At least I have some extra propellers. That's fantastic. So more propellers. Includes the Mavic Air, obviously, the Mavic Air 2, and includes extra adapter cables that go into your controller for different type of phones, and the DJI branded filters, and this lovely case, which is nice and padded. If you look inside, it's nice and divided, nice and padded. It's thick, should be enough for me to throw this in the backpack and not worry about it scratching or damaging the drone. And also a nice strap, which I'll probably remove. And that is in the Fly-More combo. So the Fly-More combo is a little bit more expensive. However, if you were to buy the different batteries and buy the filters, and even this having this power adapter is really handy. Is definitely way more than if you would purchasing on its own, than if you were just to buy the Fly-More combo. So that's it. So that is the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Air 2 Fly-More combo. So that's the unboxing of the Mavic Air 2. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Now, before I can actually fly, because I live in Canada, I have to get that basic drone certification. And I also have to register the drone as well. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the certification, I'm going to study up on the test, take the basic one, and then register the drone with Transport Canada so that I can actually legally fly this drone. Alright, so again, I hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for other episodes. The next one's going to be setting up the DJI Mavic Air 2 for the first time. I will have a video of me going through the process of getting my certification so I can actually fly the drone legally and in Canada, and then another video on my first time flying a drone ever and what my experience is flying it and checking out some of the features and functions of the Mavic Air 2. All right, so stay tuned, subscribe, and until next time.